There are many products available to choose casserole dishes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best casserole dishes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Emile Henry. 13x9 large rectangular baker. Though Emile Henry produces a wide range of baking dishes in various shapes and sizes, our testers found that this large rectangular version yielded the best results when baking both cornbread and bread pudding. They also liked the high sides on the dish that helped reduce spillover when cooking. It's highly versatile too. The manufacturer says the glazed ceramic baking dish can be used safely in the oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. And just in case something goes awry, you'll get an impressive 10-year warranty with your purchase. There is one big drawback to this baking dish. According to our testers, the handles are small and curved, which makes them a bit tricky to get a good grip on, especially if what you're cooking is heavy. Number 2. Stoneware rectangular baker with platter lid. Le Creuset baking dishes are widely beloved. They're made of durable porcelain with an enamel glaze finish that not only looks beautiful, but is also exceptionally chip, scratch, and stain resistant. In our testing, this iteration of the baking dish cooked very well, especially for quicker cooking items like cornbread. But it has a unique upgrade that makes it stand out. It comes with a flat lid that doubles as a platter. You can stack food on top, use it as a separate serving tray, or even use it as a trivet. And though the handles are relatively small, they're easy to grasp, and they cool down quickly. Adding to the versatility of this particular baker, it can be safely used in the oven, broiler, microwave, and freezer. Also nice, it comes in nearly a dozen beautiful shades. Number 3. Lodge 9x 13-inch seasoned cast iron casserole. The vast majority of baking dishes we tested were stoneware or glass, but this cast iron option from Lodge held its own. The casserole dish is pre-seasoned, so you can use it for your cooking needs right away. Just stay away from anything too sticky, eggs or cheese for example, since the casserole dish is very hard to clean and very heavy, making the process even more cumbersome. If you can get beyond this hurdle, chances are you'll love the power of this baking dish, especially for heartier items like bread pudding and cornbread, since it expertly conducts and retains heat for even cooking and browning throughout. Number 4. Great Jones Hot Dish. One of the biggest draws of this baking dish is the cool, retro aesthetic, but it's much more than a pretty piece to look at. The kitchen workhorse has very thick ceramic walls, much like our pick from Le Creuset. While this wasn't ideal for the cornbread and bread pudding we tested, the experts in our test kitchen say it's perfect for braising or whipping up a batch of moist enchiladas. And despite its size and weight, it's relatively easy to handle, thanks to large, easy-to-grasp looped handles. It's also dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe, so you're bound to reach for this one over and over. Just don't count on the idea of a matching lid, as it's currently out of stock. Number 5. Made in 9x 13-inch baking dish. The crisp white exterior with blue trim makes this baking dish a truly beautiful selection, but it's as delicate as it looks, so you'll have to take care when handling it. One of the handles broke off during our tests. Despite this, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants the ability to cook in a very hot oven. The dish can withstand temps up to a whopping 650 Fahrenheit, hotter than most hot ovens get. And, according to the manufacturer, you can even take the dish from the freezer directly to the oven, making it an excellent choice for meal preppers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.